Welcome everyone to the first video of the series, that is smart contracts in 30 days. So in this video we are going to learn how to write a high level program in Remix IDE. So let's get started. Let's go to the Chrome browser and type in remix.ethereum.org. So this is a Remix browser. So we have a sample project here. Let's create a workspace for our project. Let's create YouTube and let's choose a blank project. So here left in the Remix, so the first icon is files. You can see all the files. The second is you can search the files. So this is used to compile the smart contract. This is used to deploy the smart contracts. So let's create a folder contracts and let's create our first file. So SOL is an extension for Solidity programming. So first we need to define what is the version of the Solidity we are using. So the syntax for this: pragma Solidity version. Here you need to mention the version. So the version that we are going to use is 0.8.13, and first line we need to mention what is the license we are using. So we are using MIT license here, which is open source license. That means anybody can use this, anybody can copy this code. So we have a linting error here, which means the compiler is set to 0.8.7, but we are using this version. So to fix this, you select the latest version, and so let's create the first smart contract. So contract so let's take a variable great. So we need to mention what is this variable. So this is a string. So the value of the variable is and so this is a public variable, so we need to mention keyword public here. So this is our first smart contract. Go to the third tab and click on compile. So the contract is compiled, and you can copy the ABI from here. So ABI looks something like this. So right now we do not need it, but this is something where you can find your ABI. And after compilation we need to deploy it. So you have to select the smart contract, which is already the hello world is already selected. Just click on deploy. So our smart contract is deployed at the address, at this address. So you can interact with the smart contract from here itself. So if you just click here, you can just you can see the variable, which is this one. If you click here, you can see the value of the variable. So we are seeing this variable here because we have kept it as public. If you put it as private, so this is a private variable. If I compile it again and deploy it again, so we have the second smart contract, which is deployed at this address, and we do not have any methods to call here. So if you put it as a public variable, by default Solidity creates a method with the name of the variable. Try it out yourself and let me know how did it go in the comments.